Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be harvesting this fruit. In fact, I've already harvested one of them. You can see this is the first fruit I've harvested from this tree, which I'm growing in this container. Can you see this container? In this small container I've got like 10 fruits, already. See here 3 including this one, and here 3, total 6. Then there are 3 more here. Can you see this? 1 2 3, so total 9, and 3 more here. It's still growing, so 12, and one more small one which is coming up here, 13, and new flowering here also. You can see there are totally 3 more here also, behind and front also one is there. So actually in this tree I can show you everything. Actually, see, this is how it looks starting. This is the first stage, actually the flowering stage. Then it turns into this purple kind of thing, and then it becomes like this, a small this one, and then it becomes like this, and then finally it becomes like this, like the one I've harvested. So if you're sure what exactly is this, do comment it, like what exactly do you call this one. So like I am assuming it's citron. In Kannada we call it harlekai or elikai in the local language. So I'm not sure exactly until I cut this and taste it. I don't know what is exactly this one, but it's definitely a great harvest and great this one also. Can you see this fruiting also? Like I said, almost 12 fruits are already there here, and 9 of them are almost ready for the harvest. And once I harvest all these things, the next things also will be ready here. So that's definitely a very good yield actually. See, you can see the container size. It's just so small, like 20-liter bucket I'm using for this growing this plant. In this small container I never assumed, or I never thought this much good yield will come. So that's a great yield actually. Obviously I have given lot of nutrients and a lot of manure, everything, how I have taken care I remember very well. So I think it's finally giving me a good yield actually. So that's it for today's video. There's one more update also on that lemon plant. You can see there here also, that has also started flowering actually. It's been like more than 2 years or something, close to 2 years I think, and now it has started flowering. So I'll be doing another new video on that. And you can see this also, I have harvested already all the 4 sugar canes from this container. Those of you who are following me from long time, you knew there were actually like 5 sugar canes in this container. So only 1 is remaining, 4 are got harvested, and you can see one more small sugar cane coming up. And inside that still like 3-4 sugar canes are there, but you can't see from here. When I go there, you can see that small sugar canes are coming up, and one sapota is also coming up here, and lots of flowering has happened in this sapota tree also. So I'll be making one more update on all the plants and all quickly. And there are few strawberries also still remaining. So but coming back to this video, in this video only it was regarding this tree actually, this fruits actually. So I again request you, if you are aware of what do you call this, do please tell that in the comment section, so I can Google it and find out more information regarding this. But as of now I am just assuming this is a citron. So that's it for today's video. Hope you all like this harvest video. Do like, share and subscribe for more such content. Thank you.